Hello everyone, welcome back to our Sunday market breakdown. So guys, as you all know that it is an every week thing, guys. Yeah, for the people who are new in our channel, guys, please help us to grow this channel by subscribing, and then make sure that you like the video and then you turn the notification bell on. So with today's Sunday market breakdown, guys, we can notice that the forex market is currently slow since we are in the middle of December, guys. And then you all know that during this time of the year, what do we call? The institutions are pulling out of the market since we're approaching the holidays. The market is slow. Actually, the market is slow. I cannot say the market is volatile, but yeah, sometimes it does. As you also what happened during CPI last week. Yeah. So with today's Sunday market breakdown, guys. Yeah, we're gonna start with KGPY. So with CatGPY, guys, we waited for this one for I think 2 to 3 weeks. The market was around there; it didn't move. Look at now we're on our 4 hour time frame, but you can see that this thing it hasn't moved. So with this one, guys, actually we were supposed to be in the market already. I mean, the market mitigated our order block, and then as you all can see that it mitigated correctively with this reversal pattern right here. With this one, I didn't manage to enter, but if maybe the market would come like below 50% of the order block right here, I would enter with this position, or the when the market breaks this reversal pattern, I would enter. But for now, there's nothing to rush. The market is low, so I just have to be patient enough, guys, for this one to come and take me in right here. There's no rush with this with the market currently since the institutions are out, and then we know that everything is happening slow. So with Euro JPY, guys, last week we couldn't catch this position right here. We have missed this position since we were off the market. Yeah, so I wanna talk about how the market came to mitigate this order block, right? You can see that we had an inducement here as a liquidity. So the market formed a 1, 2, 3 touch. Let me take my pen. This was our first touch. This is our second touch, and then this is our third touch. With the third touch, the market has high probability of respecting our strategy. So our first target would be somewhere around here, but we didn't enter like there at the top. Now, so we need to scale in. We need to see where the market would give us those type of entries. But one thing I know, about, or one thing that I always wait for. I would wait for the market to break my trend line impulsively, and then wait for a continuation pattern, something like this. If it happens around here, then I would manage to scale in right here, and then I would take my profit somewhere here. Let me put this thing right here. Yeah, something like this, guys. Yeah, I would wait for the market to form a continuation pattern around here, and then this would also be accompanied by this thing. If you can look at this thing, it would be printing something like a head and shoulder pattern right here, meaning this would be my left shoulder, this would be the right shoulder. So this is what I'm anticipating for next week. Yeah, so if maybe the market it doesn't give us something like that, you know that when the market breaks this low, and then already the market left the order block right there, we can also break this low, wait for the market to come and mitigate this order block, and then we scale in. So guys, since you know that we're using a falcon and SMC, guys, yeah, I don't think the market would leave us since we're having a lot of entries like right here. So another pair I'm gonna focus on is gonna be USD CAD. So with USD CAD, guys, bear with us, guys. We're having a poor connection right now. So with USD CAD, guys, one thing you can tell, guys, we're having an order block there at the top, and then we're also having an order block this one. But all of them they're valid. But I personally prefer to take the order block above here. Why? Because of we're having a liquidity resting below this order block. With this one, guys, if you wanna take this one, but I don't personally prefer this type of an order block. If maybe the market would come somewhere around here, let me try to adjust this thing and then show you on how a lot of people make mistakes, or how I normally used to make those mistakes. But now, so I managed to spot those mistakes, and then I can gladly, or I can say, I can I can capitalize on those type of mistakes since sometimes I'm scalping and then sometimes I'm holding for too long. If maybe like let's say the market would come, if you can look at it, the market printed first touch, this is the second touch, and then we're approaching a third touch right there, and then we can see that the market went up impulsively. Then the market corrected. Now we're waiting for an impulsive move. The only thing I can wait for here, guys, I can take a sell position here only if I'm gonna hold up until I reach this what do we call up until when I reach this at this trend line. I'm not gonna wait for the market to break this thing and then go down. Remember, having a liquidity right here resting um, below this order block, so the market still has a high chance of going up. Since even like something like right here, if the market goes up impulsively and then comes back correctively and then continues going up. But for now, I don't want to risk it too much, guys. What I'm going to wait for, I'm going to leave it like that, the way I analyzed it before. Then I will see on how the market approaches this order block right here. But for now, I can also get a buy position. I think if we can look at what happened right here, we broke, what do we call, we broke this continuation pattern and then look how we broke it. Someone could have caught this entry while waiting for those sell ones, for those bigger sell. They call it a buy to sell position. Someone can also get this type of entry right here, and then must of course make sure that it's tight. This one is a risk of 1:4. You can make a lot with this type of a trade only. But for now, let's focus on the on the bigger picture. On the bigger picture, we're focusing on the sell positions. But with this one, I think if the market can open and then give us a nice entry there on a smaller time frame, I'm definitely taking this one. Another pair is going to be Euro CHF. Euro CHF, similar thing with this one. We changed character there, broke the structure. The market left an order block that it hasn't been mitigated. It left an imbalance there at the top. The market already is approaching our order block in a corrective manner. Here we're waiting for a third touch of the structure. Then we're taking a sell position right here when the market reaches here. But you can see that, guys, the market is low. Since I told you that during this time of the year, a lot of institutions are pulling out of the market. Look what happened right here. But our focus is to follow our strategy, even though the market is slow. The market is going to be slow, but it will reach our entry or it will reach our take profit, even if it's slow. So we just have to make sure that we stick to our rules, we stick to our strategy, and then make sure that we don't be impatient. Kind of, yeah. So with this one, guys, my focus would be on the sell position when the market mitigates this order block right here, and then my target's gonna be on the 90% of this what we call this falcon pattern. This one is straightforward, guys. Pure SMC plus falcon. This combination is powerful, guys. Make sure that you don't enter 2023 without this without having much knowledge of this combination of these two strategies. But if you can stick with our our YouTube channel, guys, I'm definitely guarantee you that you're gonna be able to integrate these two strategies, guys. Yeah, I'm not recommending to combine the. I'm not recommending a combination of these two strategies for someone who recently started trading, but for someone like who's saving a knowledge of one strategy, they can learn the other one and then try to combine them. I'm sure, guys, are you're definitely gonna thank me later with this type of combination. So with this one, guys, Euro USD simple. Also, this one, guys, we couldn't catch the entry at the top for some reasons. Last year, last week I wasn't on the market, guys. Yeah, but with this one, I'm sure there are people like who managed to catch that sell position right there. But guys, in every game, in every type of positions we're having right here, guys, we can still can still manage to scale in of this position. With this one, one what we can anticipate right here, guys, can anticipate some sort of like a continuation pattern here. If the market gives us a continuation pattern, that's when we're scaling in here. But problem, it will be our stop loss. Meaning, like, make sure that when you try to scale in right here, Yeah, stop loss is at the top right there for those who are having big accounts. But for the small accounts, your stop loss could be as tight as possible. But for me, with this one, I have no pressure with Euro USD, guys. Yeah, I don't want to lie. This thing, it has been going up forever. So I don't want to look for those bigger sell positions. That's why, like I'm saying, when I take a sell position right here, my target would be somewhere around here. I'm not gonna hold up until it comes and break this low. Since the whole of from October, Euro USD, it has been going up. It gained a lot of strength. I don't know like what was happening, but then yeah, there's no pressure with Euro USD. So now I'm gonna go into a crypto market. Crypto market, guys. This one is different to the forex market, but this one it's kind of slow, like in nature. But during this time of the year, since we know that institution pulled out, this one I think it's much better than that one. So with this one, guys, uh, I think on my previous video, guys, I analyzed this one where the market didn't come to that order block at the top. So look what so look what happened right now. If you can see, guys, we're having an order block right here, and then we're having an order block right here. So with this one, I'm not gonna take this order block right here. I don't normally treat this type of an order block where there's no a break of structure or something. I prefer this one where I know that the market broke the previous low right here, or with this one where I know that the market broke the previous low. So this one I'm gonna disregard it. I'm gonna look for an entry when the market comes to mitigate one of these two other blocks, but preferably it would be the one at the top because of this liquidity resting here. So with this liquidity, if I can try to extend this thing, the market might come and then take out this liquidity. For the people who are trading for support and resistance, then they might think when the market comes here, they will say, let me put the order block back right here. If you can see what happened here, for the people who are trading support and resistance, they will wait for this thing. They see that we're having a trend line is it like it connects this point, meaning when the market comes, it will sell off. But I know that it's just a liquidity, guys. They're just tripping you so that you can sell when the market reaches it. That's why I said I don't prefer this type of order blocks, guys. Yeah, I'm going. I think next week I'm gonna make a video explaining the type of order blocks I prefer. I saw some of the comments people were asking that about the order blocks, but I'm gonna do that in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe into our channel there, and then make sure that you don't miss anything. So another pair would be Ethereum. So with Ethereum, uh, we missed an A entry at the top. I think around here on the double top. Remember the last time I analyzed this thing, I analyzed it like this. This is what I saw. I analyzed the market like this, and then the market gave us a nice double top pattern there, but we couldn't catch the A entry, but it's fine. So now we just have to focus on what the market is giving us currently. So if you can look at what is happening right here with falcon pattern, if the market comes, I know we're having a sell to buy position. So with falcon pattern, guys, or falcon strategy, I shouldn't call it falcon pattern. So with falcon strategy, guys, this pattern is nice, but the risk to reward ratio is not balancing. But you can catch a sell positions before you wait for the buy ones, right? Since the market has been going down with a series of lower lows, lower highs. You can take those type of sell positions while waiting for the bigger buy positions. But this one, I don't personally advise someone to take since look at the risk to reward ratio is not balancing. So with this one, guys, simple this order block here or the order block below right here, but you will see on how the market approaches this order blocks. But yeah, it was simple with this one. So I think the next pair would have I think it's gonna be US state. So with US state it's simple, guys. But similar thing is happening. I don't know if you realize that there's always the market likes to print like order blocks above the order blocks or order block below the order block. This is the way. This is a way that the market wants to confuse you guys. Yeah. So with this one, guys, the market already is coming in a corrective manner right here. can already see that it's coming in a corrective manner. But with this one, I don't think I'm gonna take the buy position when the market reaches here. Why wouldn't I take this position? Because of this liquidity right here. The market built a liquidity right here, so that I would think that now so the market is ready to buy when it reaches this order block. This order block is nice, and then it left a very huge imbalance. But I'm not gonna focus on those type of things, guys. Yeah, those are the mistakes I've been making in the past. But right now, I no longer make those mistakes. I learn from them. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the market to come and mitigate this order block. Then that's when I would know that it's gonna be the holding game. I think if we can catch this entry, guys, we're gonna hold up until next year, guys. We're gonna enter in the new year uh, uh, in deep profit. Yeah, that's what I think with this one. So due to the limited time, guys, I'm gonna draw a German 30 right now. German 30, it's actually an update on what happened. German 30 with one of my account, I'm still holding this position. I think, yeah, I'm still holding this position. I had two entries when it comes to German 30, guys. Yeah, with German 30, guys, the market it has been coming to mitigate the order block in a corrective manner, but I couldn't catch the A entry. I managed to enter here when the market broke out this thing, what do we call this reversal pattern. Then my stop loss was above there. But some of us guys, when we trade, we like to make sure that we get a lot of those type of entries. What happened here? I had another continuation pattern somewhere here. I think I remember, yeah. I had a continuation pattern somewhere here. And then I was so aggressive with not wanting to miss anything. I placed another sell position. I think it was somewhere here. It was somewhere here, and then my stop loss was tight. I was like, let me just put a tight stop loss and then try to reach this one. But I know that in the meantime, I'm having the bigger one inside. So the market took me out actually with this entry that is inside right here. But the one outside, I'm still holding with this one. When I hold up until around somewhere here, since we're having a smaller nyana order block the but it's not like I'm gonna trade this order block with buys, but I'm just saying if something happens and then the market goes up, I won't be surprised since there's an order block, right? Even though I don't trade this type of order blocks. Yeah, so guys, I think I'm done with the best that I'm gonna look for during the week, guys. Yeah. So, guys, since it's now December, guys, make sure that you finish this year positively, guys. Don't just neglect the market and then say you will come back January, guys. Yeah. We're finishing what we started. At the you started January, guys, saying you wanna be a forex trader, you wanna focus. So make sure that you focus and then finish this year positively, guys, so that when New Year comes, you won't be surprised with them with the changes in the market. What do I mean by changes? Since the market is low, you know that January it will try to be fast, try to take people out. You will know what is happening in the market. Yeah. So, guys, I hope everyone will enjoy the video, and then make sure that for the people who didn't subscribe into our channel, they do please. And then another thing, in the next video, I'm gonna be talking about the order blocks. We received a lot of questions where people they're asking us about the correct order blocks, but I'm gonna cover those things in the next video. Make sure, guys, you subscribe if you are new into our channel. So I wish you a profitable week ahead. Then I wish you a happy festive, guys. Yeah.